As a shaman, I often work with nature spirits to help heal my clients. This is a great example of how that can look.
I'm taking Alexis on a shamanic walk to connect with the trees and receive healing for her body. Something is happening, and I'm going to show you on the video what it is. She is experiencing extraordinary healing in this forest walk. She couldn't move her neck or head around before. But now she's able to actually put her chin down. This is a huge triumph. We opened up her solar plexus chakra, which she'd been completely separated from. That's personal power.
I'm so grateful that they let me take a video.